How to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. There are two different ways on how you can transfer the messages from iPhone to Android. I'm here on the Android, but I'll just show you quickly. You can open up your WhatsApp on your iPhone, right? And then you want to head into the settings of your WhatsApp. Now let this load up, and then I'll just head into settings. Under settings, you want to head into the option that says chats. Now you can do so on your iPhone, so remember, and then scroll down and you'll get two different options, actually three, but what you require is that two options that you can see. You can either simply tap on chat backup and you can back up your chat and log in to your account on Android device and then recover your chats, right, using the backup feature. Or what you can do is you can simply tap on transfer chats option and you'll get the option transfer chat to history to Android phone option, where you'll be able to transfer it. So this way you can transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.